Hello, everyone. Welcome again on Ikibonobono Media. My name is Cynthia and Edourd. I'm together with.
Edourd ndayikengurukiye.
So today we have special documentary on ikibonobono that we call in English castor oil plant. Behind the camera there is Uncle. Castor oil plant is a unique and powerful plant with many uses in healthy and also in industry. It has many uses. And also, as you can see, we have taken you to the heart of the field. You can see that where we are, there are many castor oil plants. So today, we will explore what castor oil plant is and why it's so valuable to farmers and industry. So welcome, whether you are a farmer, student, or just curious, this journey will open your eyes to the wonders of this plant. Thank you. Welcome.
Okay, welcome again. But first of all, I would like to greet people who are just foreigners from different parts of the world. There are some people out there, some from Zambia, Kenya, Uganda, South Africa, Canada, United States, Germany, Belgium. I know there are many people out there who are just foreigners today. Yeah, we love you. You are our people. And I would like to ask people who haven't subscribed yet to subscribe on Ikibonobono Media and just like and share so that we can keep on growing, becoming large family of Inaskoki. Yeah, today we are in the west of Burundi, some few miles from Bujumbura. The weather it's hot. There is hot sun here, as you see here. And today we are exploring field, castor plant field, and I'm very happy today because I have been craving for this moment. I'm very happy to be here. I have met with the farmers, and I'm right here with my friend. We are exploring this amazing and beautiful field. So, what am I going to show you? Some people have some questions. They think, what is a castor plant? What is castor bean? What is castor oil? They have such questions. So, do you see this? This is amazing plant, Okay, this is castor plant, all right? When I was very young, I used to see this in a forest, but I didn't know it was somehow useful, important. So when I look at this, I see cure, I see healing. That is the first thing. The second I see is cash, because when you have this, you are making some cash, right? Do you know why I started with healing or cure? Because this plant really saves life. Okay, it can save our life. It can save your life. It can save the life of the world. Yeah, that's why I love it. That's why I call it amazing, beautiful. Okay, even when you look at it, it is stunning. Got it? Okay, come on, guys. And also it's I said just making money. Yeah, I like making money, and I know you love it too. So when you are a farmer, when you are a farmer, you're growing this in your field. It just means that you're sooner or later you're going to make money, much money soon. You're gonna be like a billionaire or millionaire, things like that. Yeah. So what is this? As you see here, this is a castor plant. How will you know it is a castor plant? It has large, as you can see it, green or sometimes reddish leaves, and they have shape like a star. This time this is a castor plant, but that's not all. But there is also here some spiky pods right here that contains some castor beans. All right, here inside there are castor beans inside this pot. So, but before they become this, they start like flowers. Okay, they start like flowers, and as time goes, these flowers turn into spiky pods. Yeah, and then later when these spiky pods they just turn brown. Yeah, brown like this. You see there? They turn like brown right here. They turn like brown, and it means it's time to harvest them. Good. So castor plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates where it can get enough sun, rain, and well-drained soil. Yeah, that's it. So it can grow between 2 to 4 meters or even higher in a good conditions. Yeah, as I've been telling you, I'm talking about flowers of castor plant. They start as flowers, and as time goes on, they turn into pores. Spiky pores, like those one that you have seen, and those pores they turn into brown. When they turn to brown, it means it's time to harvest. So, and inside the pods you find beans like this. These are the beans, and these beans are the ones that are handled to produce castor oil. So beans, as you see, this are very important in our life, but also they are toxic. They are poisonous. Honestly, if you eat them, you can die. Yeah, because they contain poison. So it is recommended that to keep them away from animals or children. Yeah, that would be good. Yeah, because they are poisonous. Honestly, things like that. And castor plants they grow in 5 months after planting. Yeah, in 5 months, and in the seventh month they you can harvest. That's what I was told. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Edward. I hope the audience now knows what is castor oil plant is. For sure, castor oil plant is amazing plant. So, as I have said before, castor oil plant is a unique and powerful plant in healthy, beauty, and industry. Let me start in beauty. When we use castor oil, this is castor oil. When you apply castor oil in your hair will grow fast and also it will be strong. Your hair will be slow and also will grow fast when you apply this castor oil plant in your hair. And for healthy, when you apply this castor oil on your skin, it will cure all kind of skin disease. Yeah, all kind of skin disease. If you have any kind of skin disease, when you apply this oil on your skin, it will cure everything. Promise me. If you can even try, you will see it yourself. You come here to testify. Yes, it means that it is helpful when you have skin problems. When you have skin problems, you can just apply this oil. It will cure all kind of disease. And also it is helpful for industry because when you plant this amazing castor oil plant, when you harvest, it means that you produce this and then you get castor oil plant. You get castor oil, and then you will sell it and you get money. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That is also helpful for industry, and also it is useful for farmers. It is very useful for farmers. When you grow this, it will help you to earn money. Thank you so much.
To help us learn more about the castor plant, we met a local farmer who is actively cultivating it. As you can see, this field is well maintained and thriving, a clear sign of careful work and dedication. We spoke with him to understand what castor oil plant is, how it grows, and how it is cultivated. To begin, we asked him to introduce himself. What is your name?
My name is Andre Bukuru.
Mr. Andrew, where are you located and where do you carry out your daily activities?
We are located in the expanded administrative province, formerly known as Bubanza province in the Gihanga commune. This is where I run my castor plant projects.
Mr. Andrew, where did you start cultivating the castor plants?
Thank you very much. We started cultivating the castor plant in March 2025. At the time, we heard about project related to the castor cultivation, and we decided to take the lead and try it ourselves to see if we all was say it was true. So we began planting in March of last year.
Does that mean you have already harvested the castor plants?
Yes, of course. Since we planted the castor plant, we have already harvested 3 times within the same year.
Can the castor plants be grown anywhere, for example in Bujumbura or in rural areas?
Yes, can be grown in all the places you mentioned. The castor plant only needs natural compost, which is easy to find. Compost from cows, rabbits, or any other natural source breaks where. That is why it can be grown almost anywhere.
During planting, how many seeds do you put in each hole and what distance do you leave between planting holes?
I will explain based on how I did it myself. First, I prepared the land where, when it was time to sow, I marked the planting holes, leaving 3 meters between each hole. In each hole, I planted 2 seeds. When both seeds germinated, I removed one so that the remaining plant could grow well. That is how I planted my ferret.
Can the castor plant be planted during the rain season or the dry season?
The best time for sowing is during the rainy season. That is from October or November until March.
When the rain stops, does the castor plant stop producing seeds or does it continue?
It continues producing. That is where I personally witnessed. As you can see in the fruit, the plant keeps bearing seeds even after the rain stops. That is why I was able to harvest 3 times.
After the plant starts producing seeds, how long does it take before harvesting begins?
After sowing the castor plant, it takes about 5 months to flower. By the 7th month, you can start harvesting because the seeds are mature and strong. After harvesting, the pods are dried, the seeds are removed, and the process is complete.
From one castor plant like the one next to you, how much can be harvested? 1 kilogram or quarter kilogram?
During the first harvest, you can get about a quarter kilogram. During the second harvest, you can get more than half kilogram. The castor plant is harvested repeatedly. For example, last week I harvested castor beans from this field, and this week I am harvesting again. This means the farmer must regularly stay in the field, checking which pods are ready for harvest. Another important is that the castor plant needs good care, including spraying it with medicine to prevent insects from damaging the seeds and making them empty inside.
How do we know that the castor plant is ready to be harvested?
You can see it clearly. The seeds become dry and the pod change in appearance. For example, on this branch, some of the seeds have already dried.
So when we see that some pods on the branch have changed color, we know they are ready to be harvested.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So guys, today we've seen a lot of things about castor plant food, castor oil, castor bean, right? So as I've seen it as it is an important plant as it has many uses in medicine, cosmetics, and industries. So we can use it in different things. So we encourage farmers and the listeners to explore castor oil cultivation so as long-lasting opportunity. So did you know Inaskoki? Inaskoki, it is union cooperative societies that joined together to grow castor plants and improve farmers' life in Burundi. So if you have any questions or waiting to know many things, or just you are interested in castor oil cultivation, you can contact us on that number that you see down there. And thank you guys for following us today. On mic, there was Edourd Ndayikengurukiye with Cynthia and Edourd. Behind the camera, there was Uncle. Thank you for joining us. Till next time.